Hey Flatlanders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go out to the woods and use the Gonex hot tent. Very windy day today, so also going to probably make some coffee, and I've also got a quote from a famous philosopher that I think you guys would enjoy, so we're going to get that in there too. Yeah, it's actually snowing. That's a bonus. You know, there's a lot of blowdown on this side. Pretty challenging getting through here, but yikes. This would be a great place to stealth camp. A little too close to civilization for my comfort. Come on. What is it? What is it, Art? What is it? Still something? Something asleep there? Yeah, it does look like something. Maybe asleep there. I don't know, maybe. Alright, let's keep going. Hey, I think this might be okay. We got an extra windbreak here. I shot this in another video. I was wondering what it looked like. Now I'm like right up close and personal. Sweet. Whole thing's like brick construction. Check this out. Alright, my personal preference is to get the fire going because it's pretty chilly out here and I want that ready. Sure is nice though. Not a lot going on here. Just nice and calm. And windy. Snowy. Oh! That's an eagle over there. I think. He's coming in. No way. They have returned. Just stay away from my dog. He's fighting the wind too. Started something good. The dog is in play mode. That's fine. Alright, I already pulled this one out and folded it on itself so it's ready to rock and roll. We're just going to burn it up with the lint ones. I don't think the lint ones turned out that great. They're not working. Alright, she's rocking and rolling now. Man, those actual cotton ball ones work so good. Now we got a flame in there, so ready to set the rest of the tent up, huh? Yes. Snow's coming down pretty, it's pretty. You can hear that snow falling out there. Pretty awesome. I'm enjoying it. Art's in here too. Just toasty. She figured out that the fire's warm and that she actually does like that. So we are about to make some coffee here because it took a lot of energy setting up that tent. So I'm ready to just sit here and relax with a cup of coffee, think about some deep thoughts, maybe pull out that philosopher I was talking about earlier. That wind's blowing pretty hard out there. I had to put some extra bricks on the tent pegs there because I thought it was going to blow away for a little bit there. Yep. Yep, that's hot. Dog's hungry. Gotta get her some food. There you go. I'm gonna walk over here. Come on, Art. Let's go check this thing out. Kind of curious about it. I don't know what this is. It's like a building or something. I think something's been using it for a den. Oh man, that is totally a den. What do you think lives in there? Mountain lion? Peg leg Sasquatch? Who knows? These could be old tracks that are starting to wash away, I guess. I think it's heavy as sin. That is nuts. I'd sure like to go explore more down that way, but getting low on time, so. It's a good day. Time to start tearing down, so I'm gonna make myself a little fire so I can keep warm while I'm picking up, because it is frigid out here. Can't believe it, Art, we're all picked up already. It didn't take near as long as I thought it would. I think my pot's not too dirty. I might have myself another cup of coffee. This is how you move fires. Doing this. It's gonna be awesome. Here we go. How about that quote? Got my phone up so that I can just give it to you without messing it up. Lewis and Clark. I don't want to mess it up. Aim at heaven and you will get earth thrown in. Aim at earth and you get neither. If you look for truth, you may find comfort in the inn. If you look for comfort, you will not get either comfort or truth. Only soft soap and wishful thinking to begin, and in the end, despair. So, that pretty much sums up. I don't want any soft soap. Yeah. All right, this is the easiest way to put your fire out. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. River living.